Hi, just at the Skin Games. This is Tammy from Beauty Reflections Salon and Spa. Today I have Karen's here for my case age management, and she has a lot of pigmentations, wrinkle, and some scar that we have to take care of that. So Karen, you want to tell them why do you get the scar and what you're looking for in the treatment?
He had the scar since I was 5 from a dog accident, and Tammy suggested that we could work on softening my scar and my pigmentation and taking some of my wrinkles away, and I'm all for it.
I'll get back to you with a treatment plans, and we'll see you again in the next couple of days.